Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the camera type and the physical outputs. This matters because AHD uses analog over BNC and needs conversion. Connect power to the camera and lay out the BNC cable toward your phone location so you can measure cable length. Once done, attach the capture adapter compatible with your phone's port. This converts analog video to a digital stream the phone can read. Make sure the phone app is installed and has camera or USB permissions so data can flow immediately. Now connect the BNC to the capture adapter and then plug the adapter into your phone. You need a firm connection so the analog signal is stable. Open the app, grant microphone and camera or USB access. Without permissions, the app can't process the incoming video. Select the correct input mode, USB video if using direct capture, or configure a custom RTSP address if your adapter includes a network encoder. Once configured, adjust resolution and frame rate to match the camera for smooth playback. Finish by confirming you have a live view and record a quick clip to ensure audio/video sync and detail. This proves the conversion is correct. If the image looks wrong, make small adjustments to exposure and resolution in the app because AHD resolutions can differ and the capture device must match. If you see no signal, first confirm camera power and tight BNC connections, then swap the adapter or try another phone to isolate incompatibility. One key tip: reboot the app and reconnect hardware before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.